Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond to 34 McCrae Street in Belgrave. That's 34 McCrae Street. You're responding for CO alarm sounding in a residence on and off for about 2 hours now. Caller's just getting home. His wife left 2 hours ago and did open all the windows. There's no sign of any smoke or flames. That's at 34 McCrae Street for CO alarm sounding. Time of first page is 17:08. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station, North Huron Fire, Wingham. Please respond 34 McCrae Street in Belgrave. That's 34 McCrae Street, crossroads are Corbett Drive and King Street. We're responding there for CO alarm sounding in the residence, ongoing for about 2 hours now. There are gas appliances in the residence, no sign of any smoke or flames. Windows have been open, caller's going to try and get them shut. They have been open for approximately 2 hours. 34 McCrae Street for CO alarms at 17:09. It's October 19th, Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station to McCrae Street in Belgrave for CO alarms. Wingham Station will be responding shortly.
Roger that, car 3, acknowledging page for Wingham Station, time now 17:10.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Engine 1 responding to 34 McCrae Street, Charlie +5 belted.
That's Roger, Engine 1, you're responding Charlie +5 belted at 17:13.
Fire dispatch, you can show North Huron Engine 1 on scene, Charlie B command and command to be mobile.
That's Roger, Engine 1, you're on scene, Charlie in command on mobile, 17:21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, in talking with the property owner, he does have alarms going off on all 3 levels of the house. I will be sending an entry crew part 2 in, as well as 360 in progress.
That's Roger, command, you're speaking to the homeowner. You do have alarms sounding on all 3 levels of the house at this time. You're sending 2 in for entry and a 360 in progress at 17:24.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
360 complete. All the vents seem to be clear, and we do have a 3-story modern construction, brick-sided structure.
Just be advised, you're coming in about a strength 2. I copied 360 complete, all vents clear. Everything was static after that.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that. Sweep of the main floor and the basement, 0 reading. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, entry 1. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Entry team 1 has completed a sweep of the entire structure with 0 readings. We still do have alarms going off. We will be continuing investigation.
That's Roger, command, entry team 1 completed a sweep with 0 readings. Alarms are still sounding. You're going to continue investigation at 17:31.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
After further investigation, we found a faulty detector. We will be doing a smoke alarm check and installing a new smoke seal alarm.
Roger, Command. After investigation, you've located a faulty detector. You are checking the smoke alarms and then installing a new smoke and seal alarm, 1749-58.
Fire dispatcher is here in command.
Go ahead, Command.
Property turned back over to property owner. Command terminated. Engine 1 will be clear and return to Wingham Station.
Part of that, Command. Property turned back over to the property owner. Command is now terminated. Engine 1 is clear. Returning to Wingham Station at 1808.
Fire dispatch, engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 back to Wingham Station, back in service. Could you download this call for me, please?
That's Roger, engine 1, you're back at station, back in service at 1820. I'm okay to go ahead with the Blyth pager test.
Roger that, dispatch. Thank you.
That's Roger, have a good night. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station, North Huron Fire, Blyth. This is a pager test only. This is the first of a 2-page test. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station, North Huron Fire, Blyth. This is a pager test only. This is the second of a 2-page test on October 19th, 2023 at 1821. Firefighters, please reset your pagers and designated fire officer, please respond.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Golf Captain.
Golf Captain, go ahead.
Receive both your pages. Strength 5, thank you. Have a great night.
That's Roger. Both tests received, strength 5, 1822. Thank you, and you as well. Have a good night.